Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into a common problem that PHP developers might encounter while trying to change the buffer size for file I/O operations in PHP. The issue arises when attempting to set the buffer size using stream_set_write_buffer, but always getting a return value of 1. Frustrating, right? Let's explore the solution provided to tackle this problem. The workaround involves using fsync $f, and then attempting to set the desired buffer size with stream_set_write_buffer $f 65536. This combination helps bypass the limitations faced earlier and allows for a potential resolution to the problem at hand. Taking a deeper look into why the initial solution failed sheds light on the inner workings of stream_set_write_buffer. This function leverages setBuff internally to set the buffer size. However, the issue arises because the file field is null due to PHP's fopen function utilizing the open system call instead of the cfopen function. This ultimately leads to the failure of setting the buffer size as intended. Further delving into the PHP source code reveals the function php_styop_cast, responsible for setting the file field by utilizing fopen. This discovery highlights the crucial step in the process that was missed initially, leading to the null value and subsequent failure. In conclusion, by understanding the inner workings and intricacies of PHP's file I/O operations and buffer size settings, we can work around the limitations faced initially and find a viable solution to the problem at hand. And remember, sometimes the key to success lies in understanding the underlying mechanisms at play. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding, and may your buffers always be optimized.